The Little Girl and Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, lived a kind young girl named Anya. One sunny morning, Anya went into the forest to pick flowers. While walking, she heard a soft crying sound behind a bush. Curious, she peeked and found a small white rabbit with a hurt paw. Anya gently picked up the rabbit and said, "Don't worry, little one, I'll help you." She wrapped the paw with her scarf and carried the rabbit home. She gave it warm milk and named it Snowy. Day by day, Snowy healed and grew stronger. He followed Anya everywhere while she studied, played, or even napped. They became best friends. One day, Snowy saw a fox nearby. He thumped his feet to warn Anya. She quickly ran home, safe and sound. From that day on, Anya and Snowy always looked after each other. The forest animals even trusted Anya more, knowing how kind she was. Moral: kindness creates beautiful friendships.